Welcome to this technical guide on the HP 348G5. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your keyboard on the HP 348G5 is completely unresponsive, it can be quite frustrating. This issue often happens due to a loose connection or a faulty keyboard, and if not addressed promptly, it could lead to further complications with your device. Thankfully, we can guide you through the repair process today. For this repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a replacement keyboard. First, ensure your device is powered off and unplugged. Begin by carefully turning the HP 348G5 upside down on a soft surface to avoid scratches. Locate the screws securing the back cover. These are usually Phillips screws. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove all screws, keeping them in a safe place. Once the screws are out, gently pry open the back cover using your plastic spudger. Take your time with this step to avoid damaging any clips. Now that you have access to the internals, locate the flat cable connected to the keyboard. This is typically found near the top edge of the device. Carefully disconnect this cable by gently lifting the connector with your spudger. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Next, remove the old keyboard by unscrewing any screws that hold it in place. These should also be Phillips screws. When removing the keyboard, be cautious not to pull on any connected wires or disrupt other components. Once the keyboard is out, take your new keyboard and align it properly before securing it down with screws. Reconnect the flat cable to ensure everything is properly connected. Before closing your device, double-check that all connections are secure and there are no loose components. Now, place the back cover back onto the device, ensuring it clicks into place and all clips are secure. Reinsert and tighten all screws to complete the assembly. Finally, power on your HP 348G5 and test to confirm that your keyboard is functioning correctly. If you notice any issues, revisit the connections to ensure everything is secure. To prevent this issue from occurring again, try to keep your keyboard clean and free from debris, and avoid eating or drinking near your laptop. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.